Welcome to Integrator my channel, and here we compare and learn two most popular languages at the moment, Python and JavaScript. Today we will touch the built-in functions and methods for both languages. So we can see in ChatGPT it prepared like three categories like math, date and time, and operational system and environment. And we can try and compare and see how they look like. This is not all of the built-in functions and methods, but just an example of some of them, and we will try it in action. Whenever you ask ChatGPT to do something, it's not very clear all the time how to use it. So for example, let's start from Math.random, how it works in JS. So yeah, you can just console and the value like this. Here you need to execute this file and you see the result. Okay, if I just insert this into Python file, it won't work. So that's why you need to go to documentation and check that random, you need to import random, and then you can use it. So for example, I import random and then print the value. I can run and see the result. Yeah, it works. So let's go and check some other things. So here I think it looks pretty similar, except that in Python you need to import some libraries, but I don't think it's a big disadvantage. In terms of dates, maybe JS even looks also easier here. So for example, I would like to console date, and you can see that I don't need to import anything. So I'm going to this directory and executing node JS file. Yeah, and I see date. I can also ask for get timestamp, get time. This is a method that will return number. Okay, let's try this and we will see the timestamp, which works fine. And yeah, here what I should do, import date time probably. Yeah, in Python, import date time. I can just add it here with comma separated value, and then datetime, datetime. Let's see, datetime should be used twice or not. Yeah, it works, as well as, let's see, if you want to show timestamp. Yeah, this looks a bit more complicated than in JS, to be honest. But when we go to some functions like with working with arrays, for example, random integer, here is the complications come in, and in Python it looks really simple and very clear how to understand and use it, as well as random choice for the array. So it's just random.choice array, or shuffle the array as well. So yeah, let me demonstrate some function from the operational system environment. So here is how we work with environment variables, import os. So in this case, yeah, list directory what we have inside this directory. Let's use it like this. Okay, so executing, something went wrong. This will work only in node environment, so const fs is require fs, or you can do it a model and use import, but in my case for simplicity, so you can see array of files that I have in this directory. And let's try to make it work. Okay, so I need import operational system and print what we have here. Okay, yeah, I think it showed root directory, because yeah, I need to enter, then clear everything and try again. Yeah, now it shows what it should show, at least what I expect. Yeah, cool. And as I mentioned, built-in functions looks really better in Python. So for example, like array length is longer than just length, or like type, integer, string. So let's try something from this. For example, yeah, very simple length. Okay, let's have this array and check its length. So like this. Okay, yeah, length is 2, and the same we will do here. So len, okay, so that's it. Yeah, we've checked in action, compared visually, and you can make your decision. What do you think, which one is easier or more readable? And let's move on and see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.